Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the photo in Instagram and making immediate baseline fixes. This saves time and preserves detail. First, crop to the target aspect, 4:5 for portraits or 1:1 for the grid, because composition matters. Then adjust exposure and contrast to correct brightness and define midtones. Do highlights and shadows to recover lost detail. Once done, apply Auto Enhance sparingly. It gives a solid baseline so your manual tweaks are subtle and natural, not overprocessed. Next, you refine color and texture because that's where mood and realism meet. Start with white balance, warmth and tint to neutralize color casts. This fixes skin tones and whites so your edits don't look fake. Then add structure and sharpen carefully to bring out texture. Too much creates noise, so keep structure restrained. Once your base is right, pick a filter and dial it to 20-40% to add character without overpowering the shot. Make sure fade and vignette guide the eye. To finish, remove distractions and finalize output. You want a clean image that displays consistently. Use the selective tools or healing brush to clone out blemishes, zooming to 100% for accurate strokes so edits are invisible. Then export with maximum quality and preview on another device to confirm tonal consistency. If you notice color shifts on upload, convert your file to sRGB and slightly reduce saturation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.